Most people think making money from home requires luck, experience, or a fancy setup. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in reality, some of the most profitable side hustles today can be started from a simple laptop and a basic internet connection. In this video, you'll learn a realistic side hustle you can start from home, how it works, and how beginners are using it to earn their first income online without quitting their job or studies. Let's jump in right away. The side hustle is short-form content creation for businesses. Right now, companies are desperate for attention on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. But they don't have time or skills to create consistent content. That's where you come in. Here's how it works. A business gives you raw footage, or sometimes just ideas, and you turn it into short, engaging videos. Someone like Jake might take a local gym's clips and turn them into 10-15 second motivational reels. That content helps the gym attract more customers. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't need advanced editing skills. Simple tools like CapCut or Canva are enough to start. The real skill is understanding what keeps people watching, not technical editing. But here's the problem most beginners face. They focus too much on perfection instead of speed and consistency. Businesses care more about posting regularly than having Hollywood-level editing. Another powerful variation of this side hustle is UGC, which stands for User-Generated Content. This is where you create videos that look like real customer experiences. For example, Alex might record himself reviewing a product in a natural way, and brands pay for that content, even if he has 0 followers. Now here's the simple workflow. First, choose one niche like fitness, beauty, or local services. Second, create 3 to 5 sample videos using free tools and stock footage. Third, reach out to small businesses directly and show them your work. Most beginners skip this step, but it's where real clients come from. And here's the key insight. You are not just editing videos. You are helping businesses get customers. That shift in mindset is what turns a small side hustle into real income. Once you land 1 or 2 clients, you can charge per video or monthly packages. As you get faster, your income grows without needing more hours. Now here's the truth no one tells you. This side hustle is simple but not effortless. It rewards consistency, not complexity. If you focus on learning the basics, practicing daily, and reaching out to businesses, you can realistically start from home with almost no investment. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what side hustle you want to try, and subscribe for more practical online business ideas explained simply.